everybody. As you guys requested another burping video, so I've been feeling kind of down lately, under the weather, so just bear with me if they're not that great, but I promise that I will make another one, so here we go. Also, if it shuts off or whatever, I'm sorry. The computer I've been using is messing up. But anyways, here we go. Okay, well, that's all I can do for right now. Like I said, I've been feeling under the weather, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think I might be able to get one more. Hold on. There we go. Hope you guys liked it. Mwah!